Alrighty guys, we're back for another episode, and this is going to be the much awaited side-by-side comparison of the two cars with and without reductions. So behind me we have my green ute, which you all know and love. Now this car behind me has 37s and 85% reduction gears. Both cars have 411 diffs, so this is going to be a fairly equal comparison. The wagon, on my other hand, this guy has no reduction gears, but it does have smaller tyres, which will instantly make it run slightly slower. Enough from me, we're going to actually just let the cars do the talking. Bronson's going to drive my wagon, I'm going to drive my ute, and we're going to have a race. But this race is going to be a little bit different. Instead of the fastest car winning, the slowest car is going to be crowned the winner. So let's go for a race.
We're going to race from here, and we're going to go all the way to the finish point at the ladder there. So let's see who wins.
Pre-ride interview with Bronson. How confident are you feeling with the win today?
Oh, to be honest, I'm not overly confident. Having no reductions in the wagon, it's going to be interesting. I think it'll be close with the tyre difference, but reduction-wise, I think the ute's got it over me. Pre-race interview, Kenny. What do you reckon?
So my car does have much bigger tyres, which makes it drive a lot faster, but I think the reductions are still going to win. Are you ready to get chopped by me?
Yep, getting chopped by you in your own car.
Prepare to be beaten. Alright, put your car in first gear, let's go. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm losing by a mile!
The wagon is so much faster.
This is terrible! Have a look! Oh no, look, we're even in first gear. This is not good, guys.
How did it feel losing?
Tell you, I felt horrendous losing. Can't believe it. The 35s are actually, with no reductions, way far in front. The reductions, 85% reductions on 37s actually makes a huge difference. In post-race interview, what do you thought?
It just feels great to be the winner, if I'm honest. No, but I was actually so impressed. One of the times I forgot while racing that I was not meant to put my foot on the throttle. I was actually driving. I was like, wait, I gotta not do that. But the difference between no reductions and reductions is actually quite crazy, to be honest. I did not expect it to be that noticeable. So for everyone watching, I hope this gives you a much better reference on what reductions actually are like, and also shows you that they're definitely worth your time. So if you're looking into getting a set for your wheeling car, I would 100% recommend getting 85% reductions because they're insane, really. So until next episode, we'll see you guys later.